Welcome to this tutorial. The first thing you want to do is click on Course Admin on the right side of the navigation bar and then click on Home Pages. Click on the down arrow to the right of Course Homepage and select Copy. A copy will be made and the name of it will be something along the lines of Course Homepage Copy. Change the homepage properties by clicking on the blue hyperlink to launch the properties. You will want to give it a name. You don't have to worry about a description. Under type, you want to keep it widget based. For your header, you want to include your homepage header and replace the original unit name with something more meaningful to you or for the course. For your layout, you're going to click on Change Layout and then select Basic. Your widgets on the left side can be adjusted from there to your preference, and your widgets for your right side can be adjusted from there for your preference. Under the active home page, use the drop-down arrow and select the newly created page and click Apply. It'll be active because it will say active with a green arrow to the right of where it is listed. Click on Home on the top of the navigation bar to make sure that the new home page is showing.